And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today took an apparent dig at Congress for bringing out a black paper against the government, saying it will work to cast off any evil eye as his government continues to work for the growth of the nation. Speaking in the Rajya Sabha during the farewell of several retiring members, Modi stressed that in the last 10 years, the country has progressed in every field. He lauded former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, who is also retiring from the House today, saying his contribution has been immense. He added that the way Dr. Manmohan Singh guided the House and the country will always be remembered. He also praised the former Prime Minister for coming to vote in the Rajya Sabha on a wheelchair to help strengthen democracy.
माननीय डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी का स्मरण करना चाहूंगा। 6 बार इस सदन में वो अपने मूल्यवान विचारों से और नेता के रूप में भी और प्रतिपक्ष में भी नेता के रूप में उनका बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है। वैचारिक मतभेद, कभी बहस में छिटाकशी, वो तो बहुत अल्पकालीन होता है, लेकिन इतने लंबे अरसे तक जिस प्रकार से उन्होंने इस सदन का मार्गदर्शन किया है।
Home Minister Amit Shah today announced